Hi, welcome to Virtual CB1A. This is Miss Rena, and this time we have a discussion on plane geometry. So we are going to discuss the distance formula. So I have here the formula for finding the distance between 2 points. So the distance formula is given by if point A has the coordinates x sub 1 and y sub 1, and point B has the coordinates x sub 2 and y sub 2, in the coordinate plane, then the distance between A and B is given by this. So the length of AB, or the length of line AB, is equal to the square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, gawa tayo ng example. Say, for example, we want to find the length of AB. Kukunin natin yung isa-isa. So, meron tayong length of AB, length of AC, and length of AD. And then, let's check kung sino sa kanila yung magkaparehas ng length. So, start tayo with AB. So, we have here AB. Pwede nating i-discard yung bar sa taas. So, pwedeng ganito na lang yung notation niya. So, AB is equal to the square root of. First, you have to decide kung sino yung magiging x sub 1 mo at saka kung sino yung magiging x sub 2 mo. So, sino dito yung pair na may sub 1 at sino yung may pair na sub 2? So, dito, decide tayo. Say, for example, we want this to be x sub 1 and y sub 1, and this is x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay lang na magkapalit sila as long as your pairings will not be messed up. Kung ito ay sub 1, dapat ang kapartner niya sub 1 din. Kung ito ay sub 2, dapat ang kapartner niya ay sub 2 rin. Pero pwede ang mabaligtad. Pwedeng ito si x sub 1, y sub 1, ito si x sub 2, y sub 2. So we have here, x sub 2 is negative 4 minus x sub 1, which is negative 1. And then, i-square mo siya. Plus, we have here y sub 2, which is 3, minus y sub 1, which is 1. So, 3 minus 1 naman dito sa kabila. Now, let's simplify. We have square root of negative 4 minus negative 1. This is going to be negative 4 plus 1. So, negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. And then, you have to square it. Plus 3 minus 1 is 2. And then, you have to square it. You have square root of negative 3 squared, which is 9, plus 2 squared, which is 4. You will end up with square root of 13. You can approximate its value by using a calculator. So, kuha tayo ng calculator. And then, find square root of 13. That is approximately equal to 3.61. So, this is the length of AB. Let's go to the next problem. We have to find the length of AC. Pwede ring tawagin na CA. Ito pwede rin itong tawagin na BA. Yan. So, dito tayo kay AC. What is the length of AC? So, magpapalit na tayo ng ordered pair. Kung kanina, ito si y sub 2, x sub 2, this time, gagamitin naman natin si C as x sub 2, y sub 2. So, we have here x sub 2 is 3 minus x sub 1, that is negative 1, squared, plus y sub 2, ano ba to? Y sub 2 is 2 minus 1 squared. Simplify natin sila. Negative 3 minus, positive 3 minus, so magiging 3 plus 1 na siya. Magkakaroon tayo dito ng 4, 4 squared, plus 2 minus 1, which is 1, and then squared. we're going to have 16 plus 1, which is equal to square root of 17. And square root of 17 is approximately equal to 4.12. So, this is the length of AC. Dito naman tayo sa kasunod, AD. Palit ulit tayo ng kulay. So, si AD naman, lipat ulit natin si x sub 2, y sub 2. Ang magiging bagong x sub 2, y sub 2 natin ay si D naman, x sub 2, y sub 2. Which will give us the square root of x sub 2 is 2 minus x sub 1 is negative 1, negative 1. And then you have to square it. Plus y sub 2, which is negative 1. And then y sub 1, which is 1. And then square it. After that, simplify. 2 minus negative 1, magiging 2 plus 1 tayo. So, 3 squared. Plus negative 2 minus 1, negative 1 minus 1, we are going to have 2. So, 2 squared. Simplify natin. Square root of 3 is 9. Tapos, si 2 squared ay, or 3 squared is 9. And 2 squared is 4, giving us square root of 13 ulit. Or approximately equal to 3.61. So, using the distance formula, we know that AB, gawin natin siyang red, AB has the same length as AD. Or AB is congruent, tilde to ayan, congruent to AD. Parehas ng sukat si AB at si AD. So, that will be it for the discussion of the distance formula. So, pakibigyan ako ng feedback kung meron kayong hindi naintindihan. Kung malinaw naman, then good. Thank you very much for listening and bye!